In this application, we're going to use our roll bar and chassis coating. This material is also a 250 degree high temperature paint. It's designed to be used direct to metal, but in many cases, guys may want to use a primer back underneath this depending on the condition of the roll bar itself. In this instance, we're able to use a roll bar system that hasn't been coated before, so we're going to go directly to bare metal with this material. But just be aware of that. If you wanted to, you could either use a standard direct to metal primer or an epoxy primer and apply the material, sand it, and go back with the coating. In this case, we're going to go directly to the coating. Now, this material is available in a satin black or a gloss black configuration, and for this application, we're going to go with satin black. You'll notice also this material has a very nice wide fan, very soft atomization. It lays the material out really nice. Okay, that's the first coat of material applied, and I did essentially this whole roll bar set with one can of paint. So it goes far, it gives excellent coverage. We do recommend a total of 2 coats on this, so if we're going to apply a second coat of material, we want to let it flash for 30 minutes, and then we can come back and directly apply a second coat of material. But that'll mat out. This is satin in color, and this looks very nice.